So one thing that's kind of super interesting to me to see is every time I come back up here, there is more leaf litter over this beehive. Yet they are quite happy crawling in, and I do wonder if it's almost like a self-defense mechanism, because it does sort of make sense, you know, like if the hole and the tunnel is relatively well established, but there's actually quite a lot of covering over it, then probably quite a few things aren't going to get into this that otherwise would do. I guess my minor fear aside that you know, the entrance is caved in every time I come up here, but they seem pretty happy. So it's really interesting to me, as I've said before on these videos, but just looking at how you can see, I don't think about a week ago when I came down here, you've got little bees popping in and out, and you've now got much larger ones alongside them.